Hi, say hi. Say hi. Hello, good morning to everyone. Now in my construction site at home, Sweet Home, Angalan, Tugbook, Davao City. Here are the new improvements of my constructions. Now they are make flooring to my floor. As you see, as you see, they are now half flooring. They are pouring the cement on my floor. Hello, Jeffrey. Jeffrey is now flooring at my floor. And her baby. Hello, baby. Hello, babe. Can you dance? Can you dance? Dance, 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 be, dance, be. Basin ma-viral ta. Here are now the improvements of my construction pouring cement to my floor. Ah. And there is already a roof at the top, and it is now nearly done. I should say, one part of my floor are now have a cement. And now you see my house. It is 20 by 20 square meters. There is 20, there is 25, 45 square meters at all. There here is the 200,000. The 200,000 will includes the two rooms and the windows. Next week, there is now a windows next week. It's now completely done. Nearly completely done. Malapit nang matapos. And thanks God for this newly constructed house. Even though it's not beautiful, but for me it's still beautiful because I have a house in Davao. Oh, here is Jeffrey. Dance, Jeffrey. Oh, wow. My visitors as beside my carpenters. My neighbors. They are my neighbors at Angalan. See? Flooring. Flooring the cement on the floor. Here are my two rooms. Dalawang room. Yes. Oh, grabe. As you see, there is now a cement on my floor. Please watch all over my videos, construction about 200K. Then you can make a budget that, oh, if you have 200,000, you have already house. But you must have your own lot. That is more expensive than a house. For tomorrow recaps, I have my lot already here in Angalan. Here is my lot. As you see there, cacaos, all cacaos there are up to their cacaos outside the home are mine. That is 400 square meters already. 200k is only for 200k is for only a house. The lot here is more expensive than a house. But before, the lot is 100k per 100 square meter. But now, it's already 300k per 100 square meter. So, if you have 200k, you have like this already, you can have your home, but only have 2 rooms, and like this, not yet flooring. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe on my own YouTube channel. And please see all my construction so that you can see how it looks like. Bye-bye, bye-bye. God bless to everyone.